The Center for Surgical Innovation and Training is a state-of-the-art operating room that allows Quillen College of Medicine students and residents in surgical and OBGYN specialties the opportunity to perform surgery rather than watch it being performed. This opportunity is not available to students at other medical schools, making our program unique. The center is not sterile. Instead of using live patients, we use donors from our anatomical gift program. These are individuals who have made the ultimate donation to our whole body donation program, allowing us to enhance our students' medical education across the board. Today we hosted the center's first workshop, a hands-on experience for orthopedic surgeons using Mako-Robotic arm-assisted technology for total hip replacement. In this way, we are utilizing the center to provide innovative, cutting-edge training to area practicing surgeons. This workshop is the first of many that will assist with the Quillen mission of improving healthcare in our area. As part of the original faculty of the College of Medicine, I have always been excited about the opportunity to provide innovative educational experiences for our students. Since accepting its first class in 1978, the Quillen College of Medicine and ETSU have been at the cutting edge of teaching. ETSU is one of only 2 universities in the country with 5 healthcare colleges and a strong interprofessional education program. The major focus of the Quillen College of Medicine is to train physicians to work in primary care or serve in rural or underserved communities. That said, training for all specialties is provided so that students can reach any career goal they desire.